everybody! So, as you surely noticed, I am too busy to open my advent calendar this year. So, I don't know what it is. It's just how it is. So, but I try to open the last ones now, and then we'll have whatever, the 17th today. So, the next week, Monday, just 5, 6, 7 left. Yeah, I don't think I will do one every day. I'm busy. So, but we'll open them now. I opened my chocolate advent calendar. I opened them actually yesterday, but still got the 17th. Yay! It's a nougat chocolate, so that's nice. Oops. Yeah. 17th today. Where did we stop? 14. 14. 15. 16. 17. So for today. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, we'll start with number 14. So we've got chocolate bombs, and that does look like fur. So that's number 1. 15. Gummies, and that looks like sky and this tree. So that one. So another one. More chocolate. And okay, that looks colorful. That might be maybe if there's a house or something, or a barn and the roof. So we'll figure that out. I have no idea what the motif, the image will look like when it's done, because I haven't pieced them all together now. I'm pretty sure I could put it together, but I didn't, because I thought, why not just oh, what have we got here? 2 bags. 2 bags in number 17. Look at that. So, and gummies. So yes, I thought I will have 24 pieces of the jigsaw at the end, and then I'll piece them together. So, just for, I don't know, I thought it's funny. Okay, you guys, let's do all the little pieces. Today 5 more pieces for my big jigsaw, so I'm very interesting to see what it is at the end. And I thank you for watching, and if you hit the like button, that would motivate me. Yes, thank you very much. And yes, a few left. Oh yeah, it's not much left now, but it's like this every year. Christmas is coming, so thank you very much. Bye bye.